Okay, let's begin. So I know that your WA2s are over, but take it as revision, okay? So first we have grammar MCQs right here. So let's have a look at people who might have gotten it wrong. So for question 1, the following people, give me your answers again. Franson, Toby, Franson, Zirou, Yanqing. Oh, is that good or not so good, Callista? I think you can do a bit better. What happened? What did you get -4 for your points? Okay, Yanqing has corrected himself. That's good. How about Zirou and Franson? Don't use B, all right? B is wrong. Oh, composition. Okay, that could be the issue right there. Sometimes compositions are quite tricky. Franson has corrected himself. Good. How about Zirou? Zirou has corrected herself. Good. So the correct answer here is think, because it doesn't have an S. So think is correct here, since some people is actually plural. And with a plural subject, no S behind is correct. So A is the correct answer. Some people think that smiling is the best way to crush every fear. They still think the same thing right now, right? It's not thought, it's not something that has passed. It's not that people are thinking about it all the time. It's just like a fact that some people actually think that that's true. Next, question 2. Don't pick A. Whoever has gotten it wrong, A is wrong. Give me your answers again. Zirou, Lucas, Madhavan, Zoe. Franson, Lucas, Jovi, and Madhavan, please turn on your cameras. Thank you. Okay, Madhavan has corrected himself. Zirou has corrected herself. Good. That is wonderful news, Hadik. That's a very good score. Zoe has corrected herself. How about Lucas for this question? Kylie will be leaving what, the tennis training in 2 hours. Is Lucas here? Yes, Lucas is here. What's your answer for question 2 here, Lucas? Imagine that A is not the correct answer. It's not leaving at the tennis training, right? Ooh, here comes Grace. I thought she wouldn't come today, but she came. No, Franson, you don't need to answer again. Just waiting for Lucas. Hello, Grace. Okay, so I saw that you didn't do the work online, so I'm going to ask you to just give me the answers from now on, okay? C. Very good, Grace. Okay, I'm just going to review that because Lucas isn't responding. So the answer is actually C over here. That's correct. Okay, Kylie will be leaving for what? For the tennis training, right? He or she will be leaving for this tennis training. So the answer is C. Okay. Number 3, I only have one person who got a mistake, and that is Zoe. Don't pick B. B is wrong. Vincent cannot enlist in the military blank. He's not 17 yet. What's the best answer here for number 3? Zoe and Grace. Yes, Grace is correct. Good. Zoe is correct as well. Since, right? So since he hasn't reached that condition yet, you must be 17 to enter the army. This is a condition. So since he doesn't have this condition yet, he cannot enter the army. All right, which is known as enlisting in the army, in the military. Next, number 4. I only have Yenting who got it wrong, and I will need Grace's answer as well for number 4. Don't pick D. He might have passed the final exams, which means might have passed means he actually failed the final exams. Okay, he actually failed. Yes, Yenting is correct. Grace is correct as well. Wonderful. The answer is had studied. If only Jim had studied. So had studied over here is the past perfect tense. We are referring to it in the past perfect tense because this event is long over. All right, obviously he did not study hard and that's why he failed his final exams. So this is like reflecting on the past, right? If he had done something, he would not have, or he might have, that kind of thing. So this is like the whole thing is in the super past tense. Number 5, everyone got it correct, so I will just need Grace's answer. Hand me the phone now, blank, you will regret it, shouted the robber to the old man. Yes, Grace is correct, right? It's what you use when you make a threat. You either do this or something bad is going to happen to you, kind of thing. So it's A, right? It's kind of like saying, give me all your money or I will kill you, that kind of thing. Same thing over here. Number 6, everyone got it correct as well. I just need Grace's answer. All of us, together with our mentors, blank to go to the upcoming exhibition. What's the answer here? Unfortunately, that's not correct, Grace. The answer is actually B. Okay. Why? Because this part, together with, tells us that this whole area over here, this is actually extra information. So this should not be the main subject. The main subject is actually all of us. This is the main subject. Okay? And when we talk about all is actually singular. So the answer must be once, with the S behind. All of us, all right, wants to go to the upcoming exhibition. I know it sounds very weird. Yeah, all of us sounds like it should be plural. The teacher could have made a mistake. Let me just double confirm. I know each of us is plural. If we say some of us, it's plural. Each of us is singular. Sorry. Is all of us, is it plural or singular? I think all is singular. The word us indicates that all here refers to several people, and all is therefore plural. If us is me, then all means something slightly different. All of the singular can be singular or plural. All of the house burned down. All of us. You know what? There's something weird over here for the model answer. Everyone gave me the correct model answer, but it's marked correctly online. But for some reason, it's wrong here. This is weird. Is it changed over here? Let me just double check something, guys. Give me a moment. I know what happened. Sorry, Grace, you're correct. It's just that the questions actually changed over here. It's a bit weird, no wonder. Okay, so the questions changed. This is supposed to be a question 7 in your online work. So the answer is C. Sorry, so you are correct, Grace. Wait, all of us, it's supposed to be A over here. All of us want to go to the upcoming exhibition. You can't say all of us are wanting to go. That's weird. All of us want to go. Why did they put the model answer as B over here though? 3, 4, 5. Does that mean everyone is wrong here? So yes, Grace, even if you put C, even if you put C, you are wrong. Answer is A. All of us want to go. Yes, Hardik.
We didn't have the question.
You didn't have this question?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh my god. Okay, never mind. I'll take it that this question doesn't exist, okay? But the answer for this is A, if you guys want to know. The answer for this is A. Number 7. Jack will what up with a good plan soon? Everyone got this correct. That's correct. Yeah. So Grace, start from this one. You're correct. Jack will come. The moment you have a modal verb in front, the next verb, right, is in the simplest form. Not past tense, not any tense, it's just come. Simplest form. So will, shall, must, what else? May, etc., etc. The next verb that proceeds after that is in the simplest form. Just come. Will come up with a good plan soon. He always does. So this is B. Next, number 8. Betty does not have what friends because she's an obnoxious girl. Why is the answer here and the one online different? I'm very confused with the model and the one in the worksheet. Yes, Hardik.
We didn't have the previous question also.
You didn't have the previous question also.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Grace, what's the answer for this? Yes, the answer is any. Betty does not have any friends. So I'll take it that number 8 is number 6, I guess. Okay. Next, Miss Wang. Miss Wang what out the test papers to her pupils yesterday. Zero got it wrong. Grace, please give me your answer. Grace is correct. Zero, what's the correct answer here? Yes, Grace, you're correct. How about Zero? What's the correct answer here? The keyword here is yesterday, right? Yesterday. Zero? Zero, what's happening? Give me your answer. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, correct. The answer is C. All right, Miss Wang handed with an ED because it's yesterday, right? Handed it yesterday. The answer is C. Number 10. If convicts want to commit the same crime again, we should not let them off with just a warning. Most of you got this correct. A lot of you pick B. Don't pick B. That's wrong. Following students, give me their answers again. Franson, Hardik, Sanvi, Yen Sing, Zoe. Okay, Grace is correct. Hardik has corrected himself. That's good. Yen Sing has corrected himself. Good. Franson has corrected himself. Good. Zoe has corrected herself. Good. Sanvi has corrected herself. Good. So the answer here is D. If convicts were. So we use the past tense here, right? Were. So were to in this case means it's a future possibility. It hasn't happened yet. All right. So that's why we have to use were to over here. It's a special case. Were to is it's like to be used to be talked about in the future. It's like a possibility in the future. So for example, Hardik could say, if I were to meet my favorite soccer star tomorrow, I would go crazy, right? So were to, if I were to do something in the future, or if Zero